If you've been struggling with your GetResponse email series not working properly, you're not alone. GetResponse is a solid tool for email marketing, but it can have its issues, especially when it comes to automating your email sequences. In this quick explainer, we'll dive into why your GetResponse email series might not be performing as expected and what you can do about it. One of the first things to check is your email series settings. Sometimes, simple misconfigurations can lead to emails not sending on time or not sending at all. Double check that your autoresponder is set up correctly and that the trigger conditions are properly configured. If you've set delays between emails, make sure they're set for the right intervals. Missteps here can cause delays in a series and ruin your timing. Next thing to consider is your email list hygiene. GetResponse doesn't always play nicely when your email list is full of inactive or incorrect email addresses. An outdated list can trigger spam filters, or worse, your emails might just not get delivered at all. Regularly cleaning your list and ensuring that subscribers are engaged is critical for proper email series functionality. The third thing is deliverability. GetResponse can sometimes have issues with inbox placement, especially if you're sending a high volume of emails or if your content triggers spam filters. Check your sender reputation and use GetResponse's features like email verification to reduce bounces and improve your open rates. Without proper deliverability, even the best crafted emails won't land in inboxes. The fourth thing you might want to look at is A/B testing. If you're not optimizing your email copy, subject lines, or CTAs, then your email series could be underperforming without you even knowing why. Testing different variations can help you understand what resonates best with your audience. It's a great way to refine your series and increase engagement. Next, integrations. Sometimes GetResponse's integrations with other platforms don't work as seamlessly as you'd like. Whether it's CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, or social media, you may encounter issues with syncing or automation. Make sure your integrations are set up correctly and that they're playing well with GetResponse. If there's a breakdown in one of these integrations, it can stop your emails from triggering as part of your series. Now let's talk about the limitations of GetResponse compared to some alternatives. While GetResponse is great, its workflow design isn't as flexible or intuitive as some other email marketing platforms. If you're looking for more advanced segmentation, or if you need more control over automation triggers, you might find yourself a bit restricted with GetResponse. This is where alternatives come in, offering better customization options and easier workflows. So, if you're looking for a better solution to fix these issues, we've got you covered. We have an exclusive offer for a top alternative that not only offers a free trial, but is more intuitive and better for your specific email marketing goals. This software has a smoother, more flexible automation setup, plus integrations that work seamlessly with your other tools. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. You'll be able to take advantage of the full features, ensuring your email series runs smoothly and efficiently. So, if you're ready to take your email marketing to the next level and avoid the pitfalls with GetResponse, check out our recommended alternative today.